In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a graph in Microsoft Excel. We'll start by getting the data in place, because a clear graph always begins with well-organized information. Think of your axes like labels on a map. The horizontal or x-axis will represent the names, and the vertical or y-axis will represent the quantity. In your worksheet, set up two columns side by side. At the top of the first column, type a header for names. At the top of the second column, add a header for quantity. These headers help Excel recognize what you're plotting and make your chart instantly more readable. Now, click the first cell under the names header and begin typing your names, one per row. Keep each entry on its own line and avoid blank rows so Excel can treat the list as one continuous data set. When you're done with the names, move to the quantity column. For each name, enter a whole number value that matches that row. Double check that every name has a corresponding quantity and that there aren't any typos, extra spaces, or empty cells in the middle of your list. Clean data means fewer surprises when you create the graph. With your data ready, click and drag to select both columns, including the headers. You should see the entire block highlighted. If you prefer, you can also click the top left cell of your data range and then hold Shift while clicking the bottom right cell to select everything in one go. Including the headers helps Excel use them as axis titles or legends automatically. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel and click it to open the chart tools. Look for the chart options and navigate to the Scatter Chart section. When the gallery opens, you'll see different styles previewed. Choose the option that makes your data easiest to read, with names clearly along the bottom and quantities rising up the side. Excel may also suggest a simple layout that puts your categories on the horizontal axis and your values on the vertical axis. Pick the one that presents your information clearly at a glance. The key is that your names appear as labels and your quantities appear as numeric values. And that's it. You've entered your data, selected it, and inserted a graph that displays names on the x-axis and quantities on the y-axis. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching.